It's simple time, and this is Chef Tato, and today we are making the perfect holiday recipe for you, ang chicken hamonado. Let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook series where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And today we are making a chicken hamonado, something that we can serve during the holidays. And what makes the difference between a hamonado and a hamon is that a hamonado is not cured. So what we are doing right now, we have a whole chicken from Fresh Options and we will rub it with salt. No? So 1 tablespoon of salt to every kilo of chicken. So this is around 1.2 kilos. So it's best to leave it overnight in the chiller para alam mo nanonood talaga yung lasa niya. And it's also almost cured. So mas makuha natin yung ham flavor. So we leave that there. Let that sit. In the meantime, we will make our sauce. Yan. Very simple. So what do? We start off with our brown sugar, soy sauce, di ba? Sweet, salty, then datu puti vinegar. So medyo asim, no? Pineapple juice and the pineapple chunks, but you also add the vinegar para ma-heighten yung asim niya because as the pineapple juice cooks, nawawala yung acidity niya. So kailangan talaga natin i-supplement yung asim niya with vinegar. And we will add UFC banana ketchup for color. Yan, that will give it a very nice, red amber color. Yan. Mix lang natin siya. Very, very simple concoction. I will also add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Yan. As our thickener. Yan. So we're just combining everything. And we add our aromatics. So I will have sliced ginger. I'll just add a few here. And the rest I will leave for stuffing. Sliced garlic. Star anise. Yan, around 4 to 5 star anise. I'm using 5. I will add 3 here. The rest I will put inside the chicken. And red bell peppers. Yan. And cracked black pepper. So that's done. So ito na yung ating base na, hamonado sauce. And what we will do is we will add water. So this is 2 cups of water. So you can use water, chicken stock, or even beer. If you use beer, it will have a very nice malty flavor. And what I will do now, I will just peel my onion. Yan. And I will stuff my chicken here with my onions. And what I will do now is I will, instead of trussing it, I will just like poke holes on each side of the cavity. There's this, loose skin. Tingnan mo. Look at that. Puputasan ko. Just poke a hole with my knife as well as on the other side. And cross, opposite side. Insert it into the hole just to keep it intact. And the other side as well. Yan. And our wings, we will like tuck it underneath. And we just put it into our pot. So it's very important na use a pot na kasya lang yung inyong chicken para yung liquid nyo medyo mataas yung level niya. And we will just cover this and let it simmer. Then after every few minutes, we will just baste the breast part. Okay? So the key here is to keep the pot covered so that the heat will be sealed inside, no? Para if you're worried na magiging hilaw yung chicken nyo, just be sure that the lid is on and you're cooking on a medium heat para sigurado kang the chicken will cook through. And our chicken is beginning to simmer. Yan, it's beginning to cook in the sauce. And what we will do every few minutes, like every 15 minutes, we baste the chicken with the sauce. Now, we cover the pot again and let it simmer for another 15 minutes and we will braise again. And we're at the final stretch of cooking our chicken. Look at that. Our sauce has already thickened and our chicken is beginning to have a very nice color. Look at that. So, konti na lang yung kulang natin. No, we baste for the last time. And I'll let it simmer for another 10 minutes just to make sure that it's cooked, but over a low heat. Then I will turn off the heat and let it sit there until it cools. Bakit? So that sigurado ako na it's really cooked through, and also para yung flavors will continue to meld together. And let's wait for that to cook for a little longer, and we will be done. And our chicken has been resting for around 15 minutes. So, tuloy-tuloy lang yung luto niya at low heat. And sigurado tayo, very juicy ito at super sarap nitong ating chicken hamonado. Look at that. Very beautiful. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang lapot na nating sauce. And, let's transfer it to our plate. Yan. Diba ang ganda nito? Especially pag nakita mo to sa gitna ng inyong lamesa. Hindi mo mamimiss yung hamon ngayong Pasko kasi kaya mong gumawa ng ating chicken hamonado. So you just drizzle the sauce. A little bit more sauce over our chicken to glaze it. And we garnish with, fresh pineapples. Feel na yung holidays. Try this recipe. I'm sure you will enjoy it. At sobrang simple niya, di ba? Our version of holiday chicken hamonado. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.